Good morning, children. Now today from Silver Point School, Learn from Home content, we are going to learn about the Earth's inclined axis. Now what is the definition of the Earth's inclined axis? Now the Earth's axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth, joining the North Pole and the South Pole. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical line. Now the Earth rotates along this tilted line or the axis of the Earth. So in the picture you can see on the left side the green line that is joining the North Pole and the South Pole, which is denoted by capital N and capital S respectively, is called the Earth's axis, and you can see it is tilted, as we have said, at an angle of 23.5 degrees or 23.5 degrees from the vertical line, which is marked as a dotted line over here. So that is the definition of the Earth's axis. Now let's study about the features of the Earth's axis. Firstly, the axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical line. You can see in the diagram given, the angle has been shown that there is a tilt of 23.5 degrees between the axis and the vertical line, which is showed by a dotted line in the diagram. Secondly, the two ends of the axis are marked as the North Pole and the South Pole respectively. Thirdly, the Earth rotates or spins along its axis in 24 hours. And fourthly, the spinning action is responsible in causing day and night for the Earth. So these are the various features of the Earth's axis. Now let us learn about the effects of the Earth's inclined axis. Now, if the axis was vertical to the plane of orbit, that is, if the axis of the Earth was not tilted or if it was totally vertical, then what would happen? The days and the nights would be equal throughout the year in all places all around the Earth. Now, since the axis of the Earth is inclined, days and nights are not of same length throughout the Earth. In the summer, days are longer and the nights are shorter, and it is said to be vice versa in the winter season. So if the days are longer and the nights are shorter in the summers, in the winter season it happens to be that days are shorter and nights are longer. So in the picture which is given on the left side of this slide, you can see that half of the Earth is illuminated by the sun's rays, which is on the right side, and the other half, which is in darkness, is showing the portion that is having night. And as you can see that all throughout the Earth it is not equal day and equal night. If you follow the axis, some parts are having more days are longer while some parts are having days shorter. So this is because of the Earth's inclined axis. So I hope you have understood about what the Earth's axis is about, what is its definition, the features of the Earth's axis, and the effects of the Earth's inclined axis. So that's all for today. We will discuss about the rotation and the revolution, that is the motions of the Earth, in the next part of the chapter. Thank you.